Being a mother is challenging. Where can I get trusted answers? How can I get answers 24 hours a day? Where can I find support group of parents? And accessing medical service can be inconvenient, often a long wait for an appointment. You have to take time out to travel and queue in waiting rooms. Now there is Smart Mom Net, which will work alongside our medical services, make healthcare more accessible by giving immediate access to content, answer, and support groups 24 hours, 7 days a week. Now with the world's first pregnancy chatbot using artificial intelligence. You can get answer 24 hours, 7 days a week. Just type in a question like diet and watch answer your question. You can also click on FAQ or search our database. If you want to learn something, click on the Learn button. Here you can find comprehensive content on pregnancy for each stage of the pregnancy. You can find information on getting pregnant, the 3 stages of pregnancy, trimester 1, 2, and 3, the baby is born, FAQ by moms for common questions. Ask our online medical community questions at the Ask Me Anything forums. Join our community of parents support groups. Create your own groups, or just hang out and give advice to moms like yourself. Register your login at smartmom.net and join the community to meet other parents and other children. Smart Mom, a network for parents by parents in Asia.